Swedish girl of 9, and why we connected with her is because she has a world of her own. She doesn't give a damn to anybody, and she does things her way, which we feel that in a way Pero does. We don't really follow trends and we don't follow forecast. And I feel that Pippi was very much in sync. We worked with gingham of 1 millimeter to a 7-inch big gingham. We did khadis in West Bengal. The woolens were done in Himachal Pradesh. We've done also some blends where we've mixed angora with pashmina to get the texture of very soft wool. And of course, there are a lot of hand embroidery. We've embroidered poppies, hand embroidered poppies on the checks. Always the criteria to do a show like this is to bring all the five senses so that, people are transported to another world, and when they leave, they feel like they left another world and they walked out of it.
It draws its inspiration from the lip gradation lipstick of Maybelline, and also from New York City. So it's New York to New Delhi. There were lots of dresses, jumpsuits, and a lot of thread work, a lot of sequin work was used as embellishment. I was trying to bring the New York City energy, the sassiness and the sexiness of the city.
I love the work because it's very subtle at the same time. It's extremely bold. It's very New York, so I really like it. I feel really confident when I'm wearing it. I think that's the most important. If I was a lip color right now, I would be the Maybelline Lip Gradation Lip 1, Red 1.
We use Indian textiles, but we reinterpret them in such a way that people like us, we guys these days, we understand them and find them covetable. So the other starting point was an apron. So the whole idea of lots of pockets, removability, tying things on and removing them. And also I feel like the act of wearing an apron is almost like you're going to create something, which I find very fascinating. The second thing we played was with the white binding. So we have been using a white binding inside to finish our seams always. But I always found it really beautiful, and I was like, why do we have to really hide it? Let's put it outside. So we used the white binding is actually what we've been using to finish our seams forever. So this time we thought of reversing it and putting them on the outside and making it almost like a design detail out of the binding.
The collection is called Notebook, and it's an illustrator's notebook. So we've picked up details from the illustrations as well as the notebook. The garments have a lot of grids and stripes coming from the notebook. Then it has a very vintagey vibe coming from an old notebook. We've again done a lot of applique, multicolor applique. We've done raw edges with thread. So the fabric is nicely stitched and constructed, but then you have ribbed edges through the thread. We've done a lot of bralettes with leather fringes, giving it that old 90s feel. And we have straight skirts, and we have very mannish pants with pleats.